What's up, guys? It's NK, and this is my PS4, man. See, it says PS4. Here, I'll do it like this so you can see it better. It's a PS4. Yes. Alright. It's opening day. Waited too long for this. Greatness fucking awaits. Alright, and with that, I have a $50 PlayStation Store card. The Last of Us Remastered. And I got my PlayStation Plus emailed to me. For one whole fucking year. Hell yeah. Alright. Let's open this shit. Yes. Just in case if my dad doesn't let me keep it, I have to make sure I don't ruin the packaging. Okay. Alright then. Let's open this baby up. What? Yes! It's a PlayStation 4! Holy fuck! Alright. So I got my fucking DS4 right here, my DualShock fucking 4. And I'll tell you one thing. Damn, it feels nice. It really does feel nice. Okay, get the most out of your PlayStation 4 system. Join today. Some advertising bullshit. Ooh, I got $10 free. Wow. That's neat. Keep that right next to my PlayStation stuff. This is my memory stick, my Lego Santa Claus, and my 2 house keys. Don't come rob my place. My quick start guide. I'll probably be needing that. Let's see what else we got in here. We got a whole bunch of wires. Okay, we have the headset, charging cable, AV power outlet cable, and we got my HDMIs. By the way, this is my TV. It's fucking huge. Yeah. It's a Samsung 65-inch smart TV. And if you can see, I'll zoom in a little bit. That is my AverMedia. And underneath that is my PlayStation 3. So let's put this back in here. Good boy. Alright. Let's open this. How are we gonna do it? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Alright. Do not want to drop this baby. Alright. So, take it out of the packaging. Leave this down. Just wait. Yes. PlayStation 4, baby. That's it. It's here. Waited too fucking long. I'm sorry, G-Bro, but I have finally got it. No more bullshitting this time. Let's plug this baby in. Alright. Just put this right here. See if this can stay. And I'll just keep talking. If you don't want to listen, don't listen. If you want to listen, please do. I have no life.